I am the Prince of All Saiyans. My power level is over 9,000. You never stood a chance, Kakarot.
Vegeta, it ends today!
Hey, quick question. What's your savings rate?
My what?
You've been measuring Goku's power level this whole time. When did you last measure your own net worth?
I am a Saiyan Prince. I don't need...
You've been living in Bulma's house for 15 years.
He's got a point.
Stay on this, Kakarot.
Compound interest. $50 a month invested at average market returns. After 10 years, you put in $6,000, you have $9,200. The extra $3,200 appeared without you doing anything.
Huh?
Your money trained while you slept. Like gravity training, except it never stops and you don't have to be in the room.
The money train.
Vegeta, what are you?
I have been measuring the wrong thing.
I'm literally opening a brokerage account right now.
So wait, if I invested $50 a month starting today...
Shut up, Nappa. What platform do you recommend?
Any major brokerage works.
Good.
I just wanted to know about index funds.